Scientix aims to future-proof education practices, seeking to empower students to become technologically competent while encouraging their critical thinking and inquiry. So it was with a lot of enthusiasm that Scientix partnered with MatataStudio, an education technology company that provides innovative learning and entertainment experiences through technology. The Microscope Stories from the Field initiative, coordinated by European Schoolnet through the Future Classroom Lab and the Scientix STEM Alliance, and funded by MatataStudio, explored how teachers can integrate the MatataStudio's digital microscope, MX2AS, into their classroom. During the pilot, we equipped teachers and students with 21st century skills by training teachers to use a digital microscope, testing its pedagogical value in real classrooms, and sharing their experiences through stories of implementation. Through the initiative, 20 teachers from 10 schools across Romania, Sweden, Greece, Hungary, Portugal, and France implemented the digital microscope in lessons both indoor and outdoor. They performed more than 100 sessions with 730 students aged 3 to 14, and they used the microscopes in preparatory activities, biological and human biology observations, everyday materials, investigations, physics-related explorations, and geology-focused lessons. And the results were very clear. Using the digital microscope inspired students' curiosity, kept them engaged, and gave them genuine sense of doing real research, making science tangible and exciting.
Students could finally see the details you usually only talk about. So instead of looking at textbook images, they were exploring real samples, like samples that the microscope originally was equipped, but also leaves that we collected from the yard or some insect parts. This even made the most difficult concept that they had to imagine. Now they could see it and understand it better. As for me, of course it changed the way I'm teaching, because the lesson came more hands-on and more student-orientated. I wasn't the only source of information. The students were discovering things themselves, comparing observations, asking questions that were triggering their mind.
Doamne, la grădiniță atât de mult le-a plăcut să vadă dacă sunt murdari pe mânuțe, dacă au pete de cerneală, să vadă cum arată pe pielea lor. Cei mai mari cumva se îndreaptă mai mult spre investigație științifică, adică ei doreau mai multe informații, priveau structura, se gândeau ce s-ar întâmpla dacă ar studia o picătură de sânge sau ceva viu, sau aveau tot felul de idei de astea extraordinare, așa se îndreaptă mai mult către mici cercetători.
Teachers reported higher engagement, deeper thinking, inclusive participation, and a shift from direct instructions toward inquiry-based discovery-oriented learning that they plan to continue beyond the pilot. Do you want to find out if using a digital microscope is right for your classroom and your students? Head out to Scientix for an in-depth report on the educational value of using digital microscopes. You will find real-world stories from teachers highlighting their experiences, as well as the benefits and challenges of using this technology in the classroom.
Are you familiar with the Bridging the Digital Divide in Education initiative? It was born as a partnership between Scientix STEM Alliance and Xiaomi, a consumer electronics manufacturing company, designed to support disadvantaged educational institutions with the tech tools they need to meet the challenges of our increasingly digital society. In 2025, Xiaomi and Scientix equipped 10 schools and education centers in Turkey, Greece, Portugal, Serbia, Croatia, and Romania with 10 Xiaomi Pad Pro tablets, focus pens, and keyboard cases. This allowed us to observe how Xiaomi technologies could impact teaching and learning while helping these institutions bridge the digital divide. The testing period lasted from 4 to 6 weeks, and consisted of countless technology-assisted lessons. The curriculum subjects ranged from mathematics, chemistry, biology, art and music, even to philosophy and literature. Educators teaching students from 6 to 18 provided valuable feedback on the students' experience using the devices. The participating educators shared great insights, highlighting that the use of the tablets helped making students more motivated and engaged, helped them develop problem solving, logical thinking, and digital literacy. And it strengthened their understanding and confidence in most subjects taught. What's more, the use of technology encouraged teamwork and collaboration and helped overcome disparities. It allowed students to achieve effective communication while creating a more dynamic, engaging, and fun learning environment. You can learn more about the initiative and explore its methodologies, results, and testimonies from teachers and school leaders in the final report of the Bridging the Digital Divide in Education pilot, available now on Scientix.